Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt. In case you don't know who I am, welcome to my YouTube channel where we talk about day trading futures. So, today was a great day. We ended the day around $1,200, and it is only 10 o'clock, 10:20 Central Time. So we're still in the morning session, and we're totally done for the day. So let's go ahead and talk about what happened. So I did take a pre-market, meaning before the 8:30 open or 9:30 if you're Eastern, whatever. I talk Central Time because that's where I'm at, right? So before the 8:30 open, I did take a trade. Um, Tiny little scalp, got $100 off it. You can see that here. Also, I made the body of the candles clear so that you can see the trades better. Let me know down below if that's helpful or if you even care. Um, so took a little trade here for $100. This is the market open, this candle, 8:30 Central Time. And this is where things got interesting, right? So you saw pre-market, we just boosted. Today is FOMC day, uh, which you should be flat for typically, which occurs around 1 o'clock Eastern Time in the afternoon. But today, it looks like the meeting notes may have gotten released a little early or something like that. So you see a boost up. I was asleep for this portion, got a little scalp. Market open happens, and the initial move was a leg down. So we pushed low, and then I saw a lot of buying on the order flow and the DOM, and just like fake walls and just like things that are not typical of a down push. So I decided to take a trade here. I went in one lot long. I don't normally take opening range trades. My opening range is for a 5-minute time period, as you can see with these lines. I decided to do it today because I had a strong inclination that we were going to keep pushing up and hit new all-time highs today, which we did do, right? So we hit a new all-time high pre-market right here. Let me go ahead and go over a little bit so you can see the prices. We hit a new pre-market all-time high right here. I thought we were going to keep pushing. I saw this initial leg down and then a lot of buying coming back up. So I decided to enter one contract long here. Closed out the candle, and then I saw a 469 market smash pop up on my time and sales, along with a bazillion other orders, all at 79.10. We made an initial like dollar move up, like a point up, and then we came back down, and I placed a bid there for another contract at 79.10. You can see all of this volume from that market smash, right? Came in at 79.10, and then plus this other jumble right here. So I knew that, in my opinion, whenever I see something like that, it's worth a shot to try it out a little bit. We immediately surge. We came back, tested opening range. With the doji and everything, it looked like we were gonna drop lower, so I was gonna re-add. I wanted to re-add around here, 79.10 again. So I ended up closing out there. Of course, we bounce off and just boost, but I did get another little piece. And I basically almost nailed the top of that move, which was fun. Then I had a phone interview for a new job during this portion, so I missed this entire down move. Came back right at opening range. I was like, okay, this is great. Like, I'm gonna buy the test off opening range again. We should get some form of a spike, if not a continued move up. That was not the case. I got stopped out, and then it boosted a little bit off of this 79.10 level again. Should have waited. Just wasn't thinking straight. And then another long scalp attempt, which I got stopped out, flipped short, and then wrote it down for, how many points is that? Like 14 points or something, leaving me at a grand total of the day at $1,210.98. So that was the day of trading. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. 6 trades, $1,200. Letting my winners run, cutting my losers, and overall very happy with the day. The market did great today as far as volatility and for my style of trading. So super pumped about that. It's a great Wednesday, and it's a great day to be a trader. If you are new to trading, I suggest you go look at Top Step Trader. That's who I'm trading through right now on their funded account program. So everything I'm trading is my money. I passed their combines. I definitely suggest you look at that. It was a great experience for me just to even refine my skills more. Uh, yeah, and so I think that's it for the day. If you enjoy these types of videos, please go and smash the like button down below. Subscribe to my channel for more of this content, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Peace.